Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to another training video here on my channel. I'm super excited to be with you and thrilled to talk to you about this subject. I've talked to you about this a lot. If you want to make money online, should you start an Amazon store or should you just hit up ClickBank and do affiliate marketing? I'm going to tell you my thoughts, and I'm actually going to show you why I think one is so much better than the other. And that's why my channel is all about teaching you affiliate marketing and teaching you truly the ways to make money on the internet right now. There's a lot of channels out there where you can just literally go in there and learn the newest fad, the newest trick, and all this stuff. What I really aim to do is teach you legit stuff that can help you build your business. So if you're a beginner and you really want to make money on the internet, or if you've been doing this for a little while, but you really want to up your game, then I truly believe watching my videos and subscribing to my channel is going to help you. Let's get into this. Is an Amazon store or ClickBank the easier way to go when starting an online business? First, let's look at Amazon and outline why this opportunity may not be the best route. The number one thing is it's complex. People will tell you that Amazon stores are simple, but the truth is they aren't. It's also expensive. So, this is something that nobody really wants to tell you. In fact, if you dig most deep, people are charging upwards of $40,000. 40 grand to set up an Amazon store for people, which is unbelievable. Then you also have to have credit. A lot of people will tell you that you're going to need to have credit, like a high amount of credit, because really the only way to make money with Amazon is if you buy a lot of product upfront so you can reduce your price. Now, Amazon will manage your inventory and handle returns and customer service, but purchasing inventory with no guarantee it will sell is pretty risky and capital intensive. And that means a lot of new merchants end up in debt to finance those purchases. This is because, guess what? There are a lot of price wars, which will absolutely destroy your business because what happens is you have these big businesses competing against small mom and pop shops. After all, most of the merchants on Amazon make less than $100,000 in a year in sales. Compared with the larger brands that make millions of dollars a year, it's just hard to compete. Let's take a look at ClickBank now. First, if we just look at your investment, it's simple because with affiliate marketing, you're not buying any products, you're promoting somebody else's product. With affiliate marketing, somebody else does all the technical setup stuff for you. They handle customer service, returns, and shipping. They do product development and branding. All you're doing is just sending traffic and collecting commissions when people purchase. Also, it costs nothing to be an affiliate. ClickBank is free to sign up for. Now, if you do affiliate marketing, you will need to invest in traffic, whether that's money for paid ads or time for more organic methods. But you can start with dollars per day on social media ads rather than spending $40,000 to have someone set up your store, plus paying for a bunch of inventory. When it comes to advertising, if you do it right, it's an investment. At the very least, it will raise awareness of your offering and help you refine your pitch. If done right, advertising is a great benefit to your business, even if it doesn't bring any money right away. I'll also mention that there is no price wars with affiliate marketing. At the end of the day, you're not choosing the price of the product, the company you're an affiliate for. That means you just focus on traffic, not competing with someone else and constantly lowering your price to get sales. Now, if we compare these two strategies, the clear winner is affiliate marketing. And there's a way we can get to take affiliate marketing to the next level. What we've discussed so far is affiliate marketing in its most simple form. In this form, it's free. It doesn't cost a lot of money to get traffic, and there's really no price wars. There's another model where we're taking affiliate marketing and we're turning it into what we call ecosystem marketing. It's still affiliate marketing, except instead of promoting one product, we're promoting an ecosystem of products. Instead of earning just one commission, we're able to earn multiple commissions. Instead of just getting one sale, we're able to get 3 or 4 or 5 sales from the same customer. It's basically the evolution of affiliate marketing, and that's what I do. If you'd like to check out ecosystem marketing, I'd recommend the course I took called Partner with Anthony. To learn more, there's a link right below this video. What happens in this course is Anthony Morrison, an 8-figure digital marketer, lets beginners like you and me tap into his ecosystem. You're still doing basic affiliate marketing, none of this Amazon stuff, with an ecosystem attached to it. So instead of earning just one commission, you can earn multiple commissions. If you want to make real money as an affiliate online, click that like button right below and check out the Partner by Anthony program. I think you're going to be happy when you do. As always, I appreciate your support and hope you learned something new today. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and let me know your thoughts in the comments and hit the like button. Thanks again. I'll see you next time.